Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know how to download and install Python and Jupyter and Windows. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for that, open your browser, search for python.org, hit enter, click on downloads, click on Windows. Now we will download the stable version, that is Python 3.20.2. Now scroll down. Here click on Windows installer. Here the exe file is downloaded. Now open that. Check these boxes so that path will be automatically set to the environment variable. Now click on install, click on yes. Here wait for a while. It will take few seconds. Now click on close. Now let's check if it is installed or not. Click on that. Here, write print hello world. Hit enter. Here you can see hello world is printed as an output. So now let's install Jupyter Notebook with the help of CMD. So I will run it as an administrator. Here type pip install notebook. Hit enter. It will take few seconds. Here you can see the notebook has been installed successfully. Now let's check. Here I have created a folder. I will open it in my CMD. Now type Jupyter Notebook. Hit enter. Now it will launch the Jupyter Notebook in the localhost 8888. Now here, click on new, click on Python 3 and create a new file. Now by clicking on that, you can rename your file. I will rename it as hello world. Click on the name. Now let's check it is working or not. So for that I will print a basic program, hello world program. Now hit Ctrl plus enter, and here you can see hello world is an output. So if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.